And we have rice. Lots of rice.
Plenty of rice. Alright, what's up guys? Yeah, so she made 3 different types of dried fish and some dried squid.
Yeah.
At the end of this video, you'll see a clip with all the different dried fish and the squid. What should I try first? No, I love fish. I love seafood, but this stuff just grosses me out. Alright, in the Philippines, what they do is they'll dry the fish out in the sun, you know, pack it with salt, and then they just hang it up like in their stores on the wall, and you just got this dried fish on the wall with flies and stuff all over it. And when they want to eat it, they just take it off the wall.
We wash it and we will fry it.
Yeah, you wash it, you take it off the wall, you rinse it off, and you put it in a pan with oil, and then bam.
Then you cook the germs with oil, then dead. Bam.
And then you have crunchy yum yum, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to try a piece of the squid.
Yeah. Dip it in the... We have vinegar with pepper.
Can I try it without it?
So good. Okay.
Cheers.
But you have to try it. Okay, later. Mmm, so good. How is it? If you don't like it, you can eat rice. If it's too salty for you, that's why I make rice.
It's not that it's salty.
Well, pussy is not salty.
I feel like I'm eating something rotten.
Whatever. This is the one we bought before.
The old one?
Yeah. Try it. Try it, this one. Oh.
Like from the first time?
Yeah. Try it.
So what?
Just try it. And eat rice. So good. You forgot your name?
Yeah. Due to the poison.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna break off.
Yeah. Or you can bite it. Give me this one.
Oh, it's like red on the inside. The house smells amazing, by the way.
It's completed without vinegar.
Yeah, vinegar helps like cover up the taste.
Eat rice.
Alright. You guys eat the whole thing, head and all?
Careful with that.
See that? Why, what's wrong with this? You gonna bite me?
Might have some bones still. Like, there's not.
Yeah, I think it has some bones. It has a head.
No, I mean, not like this, like, you know.
Yeah. You
can eat the bones because it's crispy. This one is still whole, so.
Okay, I'm gonna rip this in half.
No basil.
Okay. Taste of the Philippines.
Just be careful. I told you, be careful.
You can't eat these?
No! Put it in a side bin. So, take the squid. I will eat here. I will eat all of this.
Yeah. Not really scared of the squid.
Yeah, it's so good, Simon.
I'll dip it in the vinegar.
And if you try that, like the whole body without, this one is like cut it in half and then they take all the whatever inside.
They butterfly it.
Yeah, but if you try that, like the things inside with it, like they don't clean it, it's so good. That might be the eyes. I don't know. I'm not so sure.
Yeah. The vinegar helps.
Told you.
I like squid, but this actually might be a better way to eat squid, because if you cook like regular calamari, fry it, it's very chewy.
Yeah.
Onion fresh.
This one, it's good. Mmm.
What's your favorite?
All of it. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Dried fish is so good.
Oh, you can have the rest of that.
Okay, thank you.
I'd rather have my arroscado.
Yeah.
Arroscado soup. This quickly became my favorite soup ever.
Nice.
Yummy. Yeah, arroscado soup is pretty much rice, like chicken broth, and a bunch of vegetables like peppers. You have chicken, or add any pork really, but chicken, garlic, ginger, spring onion, regular onion, whole bunch of stuff. And you've made this like 5 times now, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. I don't think it could get any better, but it's amazing.
Thank you. You want more?
No. I came, I saw it, I tried it. That's it.
So good.
I'm still chewing on that squid. Ah. Yeah, so a lot of you are probably from America and aren't very adventurous. If you are, tell me what's the weirdest thing you've tried. Have you tried
Try to try it.
Yeah, yeah. If you have an idea, like, hey, you have to try this, like durian fruit, which I will try durian fruit. I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, will you try this dried fish? If so, come over and we'll cook up some dried fish for you. We'll put it on the page.
Look, that's how you eat it.
Yeah. Now, on the subject of weird and gross food, if you want to go to my YouTube channel, Taste of Travel with Donald Bryan, I try the famous, disgusting balut duck egg, which really, it's not that bad. It's like a really eggy egg with like chicken broth in it and a little baby.
It was actually
bird
an embryo.
Fetus. Embryo, yeah. What'd I say?
Egg.
Yeah, duck embryo, yeah. Which wasn't that bad, and I ate it on like, the view was just amazing. Like, I ate it in this cave because it was low tide on the beach right by our house in front of all these locals drinking rum and beer. It was amazing. Yeah, so there's going to be lots of food videos to come. Let us know what you think. I love you guys. I'm going to eat this delicious dinner while she eats that stinky, crunchy dinner.
So good.
I love you. I'm Duck.
I'm sorry.
Let's try that again. I'm Duck. And that's Monkey. And we'll see you next time. Love ya.
Hi. We have here dried fish, and I am going to make him try 1 each pack. This one is mackerel.
Some mackerel.
Salted.
I've had some Spanish mackerel before, not
And
like that.
This one is ponyfish.
Ponyfish.
And this one is squid.
Yeah, I used to use that as fishing bait.
No, eat it. And this one is rabbit fish. So we'll take 1 each pack, and then we'll cook it and let Duck eat it.
Great.
Time to fry them. Woo! Oh, little fish. Squeedy, squeedy. Okay, okay. Oh, it's 2. Sorry. Ay, okay.
Pip.